Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube. I've been doing a lot of little mini videos on my IGTV, so if you want to check that out, you can click on the link in my bio, go to my Instagram, and you can check out those videos. Today, we're gonna be doing something a little bit more funky that I'm a little nervous for because I don't really know if I can do it or pull it off. But you know, it's quarantine. 2020, so let's do this. So what I want to do today is I want to take the James Charles palette, only because there are so many colors in it. I've been inspired by lots of rainbow looks, only because why not? So we're gonna do a rainbow look. Every day I want to rock a neutral eye, so go big or go home. I'm wearing my quarantine Disney shirt because I miss it. So we got the whole gang. Donald's trying to play his video games. This is me trying to hang out, take the selfies. Mason. I already prepped my face. I have my foundation on, my eyebrows are on. Everything is already done. So here we go. We're gonna do this. You gotta prep yourself beforehand because I don't know. It's so intimidating putting color on and then having to do a wing. Pray for me. Today is gonna be the day. We're gonna probably mess it up, but it's okay. You can do this. Keep on watching if you want to see how to make a really cool rainbow eye. All right, so here is my inspiration board. We're gonna go for something that is actually tangible. I was thinking of maybe doing something like this. Inspiration. Starting out, inspiration. You got it? And if you don't know the James Charles palette, there are a lot of colors. There's a lot of different hues. So we have one yellow, but we have this transition yellow. We have orange. We have some burnt oranges in here, lots of pinks, light and dark, magenta that goes into purple. So there's a lot of opportunity to blend. I also have my shadow switch, which is something really cool that I got for Christmas. Excuse the dog hair that's in it. But I have plenty of brushes. However, if there's something I want to get off the brush, this gets it off real quick before you do something else. So we have all these brushes to work with. I have my mascara, and this is the liner that I'm going to be using today since I'm probably not going to talk too much in this video. It was just a sample. We're going to use it. I also have a mirror right here. So if I look over that way, that's because I'm looking at the mirror. So I just took a yellow kind of color and just am using that on my lid as a transition. Very bright pink. Okay. Next we're gonna go in with the red. We're gonna go right into that bright orange, just like this. We are red and orange right now. We're gonna go in with the next color, which we're gonna transition into yellow. Got the yellow. So right now we are at that stage. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blending brush very lightly and just blend up here. And I like to just kind of buff out the color. We have our red and pink, orange, and yellow. We're gonna transition the green in the tear duct and then continue down. So we're gonna use green. Here's a close-up of what we got going on right now. All right, next I'm gonna take my liner, and this part I'm very nervous about because I'm not the best at it. So I'm gonna be using this little liner and I'm gonna do it into my mirror so you can kind of watch me from the side. But what I do basically is I will take the pen and I'll draw the line about halfway, and then I will go from my under eye and draw a line up, and then go about halfway down and connect it, and then color it in, if you're wondering. We did, that's one eye. Now we're gonna go for the other one. All right, both wings are done. Next, we're gonna just put on our mascara. So the mascara that I'm using is just Maybelline Falsies Lash, whatever. Falsies Lash Lift. You can get it at like Target. I'm actually really happy with how this came out. I've been getting so much better at like my winged liner that like it totally makes it. Yes. I'm gonna go put some lipstick on and grab some Uniglitter. Right back. Okay, I'm back. So what we just grabbed are my Uniglitter. So we have this color, which is Twilight Teal. Really, really pretty. And then I also grabbed Unicorn Dreams. So both of them are kind of in like a teal color. And then Cosmic Unicorn, which is like very colorful. That one I think will go best with what I'm going with right now. The nice thing about Uniglitter is that it applies really, really easily. If you want to get some glitter like me, you can order it right here. And I'm gonna put my code right down at the bottom so that you guys can order some of this. It's really, really pretty, spongy. And look at what it did to this look. Like now we have a look. Got the like 80s bang rockin'. But this is the complete look. I hope you guys like it. If you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, then make sure you tap that subscribe button, the like, and make sure that you are sharing with your friends. I absolutely love making these videos and I hope to make more in the future. Thank you guys so much.